Smelly shoes or sneakers? Don't bother with those expensive deodorizing balls. In this video, we'll show you how to make your own shoe deodorizers at a fraction of the cost. First, start with a clean sock. Next, add about a quarter cup of baking soda directly into the sock. Next, add a few drops of essential oils of your choice. We like using tea tree or clove oil, which possess strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that helps to neutralize odors. Now, secure the opening of the sock with a rubber band. Give this a quick shake and it's ready for use. You can stick this directly into your shoes or sneakers. Leave it there overnight to work its magic and you're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.